why is benzoic acid less soluble in water than acetic acid? First, I will give you a detailed answer, then I will give you a statement answer. Here, the key point is, bigger the non-polar hydrocarbon part, lesser will be the solubility. Okay, see, here you can see benzoic acid and acetic acid, both are carboxylic acid. So definitely both of them can form hydrogen bond with water, right? Both of them can form hydrogen bond with water. It's very clear, right? Okay. Now, which means what? Both of them are soluble in water. Now, we are going to compare which one is more soluble. For that, we have to check the hydrocarbon part. Here, aromatic ring is the hydrocarbon part, and here you can see a small methyl group. See, hydrocarbon part is water heating part, right? Water heating part. Okay, now here it is a very big water heating part, and here you can see it's a very small water heating part, right? Okay, so here you can see hydrogen bond is supposed to hold what? A very huge water heating part, which is comparatively difficult than this case. So definitely the solubility of benzoic acid will be lesser than the solubility of what? Ethanoic acid. Here is a statement answer. Benzoic acid is less soluble in water than acetic acid because of its large non-polar benzene ring which resists interaction with water molecule. In contrast, acetic acid has a smaller, more polar structure, allowing it to form stronger hydrogen bond with water, making it more soluble.